Hello, Fatih. What is this?
Pizza. Big pizza.
Great or big?
Hello everyone, so today we are having lunch too.
Are you eating pizza?
At lunch, so today we are having like 6-in-1 pizza.
6 flavors in one pizza.
Yeah. So here is 6 flavors here.
Where are you? What is the place?
We are in the Domino's.
Domino. So, are you enjoying?
Yes, the pizza's so big.
আজকে আমরা কিং ক্রব হিউজ কিং
Pizza's
ক্রব
so
খাবো
big.
হ্যাঁ
Pizza is so big.
আমরা তো আজকে সারাদিন হিউজ কিং ক্রব খাওয়া দেখছি
Wait.
So, tell me something.
I don't know.
Okay, tell me something.
I'm sorry. Today, the pizzas, Baba said, I did it this way. This is according to the customer. The pizza's so cool. Look at these stickers on the top.
Top.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. This is a Baya.
No.
And today we're going to pizza shop.
Okay. Is it yummy?
I also got pizza.
Yummy?
So more today I got to the opportunity. Just
What is this?
the
What is jalapeno?
who the hell is this?
Chinese one.
Dapat ni?
Iya tuh.
Okay.
Oh no!
So, say bye-bye.
Alright.
Bye.
We are taking a